Practices Rescue has a lot of tools in its toolbox. Accountability, business funding, busy, branding, credit repair, CRM and tech support, document whiz, efficiency, expert systems, institutional knowledge, lead client conversion, lead generation, mergers and acquisitions, quality assurance, SOPs, staffing and recruitment, succession planning, and website app development. Accountability is time, financial, and effort accountability. Business funding is business entity funding. Busy is business intervention experts. Branding is branding for your professional practice. Credit repair, business credit repair. CRM and tech support. Document with self-directed legal forms. Efficiency. Accomplish the most with the least cost and effort. Expert systems is Google for your business. Institutional knowledge, retain your institutional knowledge. Lead client conversion, converting leads into clients. Lead generation, generating leads into prospects. Mergers and acquisitions, negotiating and deal structure. Quality assurance, system to ensure quality in development, production, or delivery of products or services. SOPs, standard operating procedures. Staffing and recruitment. Succession planning for the next generation or manager. And finally, website and app development. Practices Rescue is designed to help professional practices thrive or grow to the next level. We have all the tools in our toolbox and the SMEs to help you achieve your dreams. If your professional practice needs our tools, call Practices Rescue at 407-955-3534. Go to email at info@practicesrescue.com.